Local news for Friday the 9th of March. Buses in the Wairarapa will start accepting snapper cards as of Monday the 30th of April. Using a snapper card to pay your bus fare will be cheaper than cash, although that option will still be available. Those already with snapper cards will also be able to use them on the Metlink buses in the region. Buses will be replacing some trains as well on the Wairarapa line on Sunday between Wellington and Masterton as the work between Featherston and Carterton is upgraded as part of the project to upgrade level crossings on the Wairarapa line. And Memorial Drive at Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park will be closed to vehicle traffic on Sunday. Memorial Drive is set to be showcased in a feature film. However, Queen Elizabeth Park and surrounding areas will be open to normal pedestrian traffic. And the Minister for Housing, Phil Twyford, was in Masterton on Wednesday and opened a new show village for Easy Build. And in sport, it's semi-finals time of the Bidwell Cup. On Sunday, Greytown will need to win outright if they are to make the final of the Bidwell Cup, taking on Hutt Academy.